Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on updating your profile name on Amazon Music. In this guide, you will learn how to navigate the website and change your displayed name in just a few minutes. We will cover everything from accessing the website to saving your new profile name. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and typing in music.amazon.com. This will bring you to the Amazon Music homepage where you can enjoy a wide range of digital music options and manage your account settings. Once the website loads completely, locate the icon representing your profile. This icon is typically found in the upper area of the page and might appear as either your personal image or a default silhouette depending on your settings. When you are confident that you have spotted the profile icon, go ahead and click on it. This action will display additional account options, allowing you to navigate further into your profile settings. After clicking on the profile icon, a menu will appear on the screen. From the options presented, find and select the option labeled My Profile. Choosing My Profile will take you to the section of the website where all your personal information is displayed, including your current profile name and other details associated with your account. This section is designed to give you the ability to make updates and manage your profile settings easily. Once you are on the My Profile page, take a moment to locate the Edit option. This function is provided so that you can make changes to your account details without any hassle. Click on the Edit button to activate the editing mode. You should now see several fields that can be updated or modified, and among these fields is the one for your profile name. The next step is to find the field specifically for your profile name. This is usually clearly labeled so that you know exactly where to enter the change you wish to make. Click on the profile name field, which will then allow you to type in a new name for your account. Be sure that the name you choose represents you properly, as this name will be displayed to everyone who interacts with you through Amazon Music. After you have entered your desired name into the profile name field, verified that it is spelled correctly, and that it meets your personal or professional preferences, the final action is to secure your changes. Look for the Save button on the page. When you click Save, all the modifications you have made, including the new profile name, will be updated in your account. This completes the process of changing your profile name on Amazon Music. You now have successfully updated your profile name on Amazon Music. The entire process is designed to be straightforward, allowing you to quickly personalize your profile. Enjoy your enhanced account and navigate the world of digital music with your new identity.